In industrial environments where safety, avoiding rework, leakage, downtime, and accuracy are essential, having reliable tools is critical. Meet the Delta Sigma, the ultrasonic bolt tension gauge designed to deliver accurate load and elongation measurements even under the most demanding conditions. This portable device uses ultrasonic technology to accurately calculate the elongation of an under-tensioned bolt. Thanks to this capability, Delta Sigma makes it possible to verify the actual tension applied to a bolt, ensuring optimal tightening. Delta Sigma is ideal for applications where structural integrity is critical, such as in the energy industry, in wind turbines, automotive, oil rigs, heavy machinery, mining, and construction. Its robust IP44 rated design makes it suitable for operation in industrial environments, resisting dust, moisture, and extreme temperature variations. Despite its advanced technology, it is surprisingly simple to use. It features a high-visibility color touchscreen that can be used with gloves and is fully eligible in sunlight. Navigation is intuitive and designed for field technicians, with quick access to all key functions. The Delta Sigma offers an accuracy of more or less. It is able to display elongation, pretension, and stress in units such as kilonewton, vibroforce, megapascals, and direct KSI at the joints. The Delta Sigma system has a capacity to measure tension in bolts from 1/4 to 6 inches, with different types of transducers, either magnetic or glue-on, with the ability to integrate with hydraulic tension or torque pumps, achieving dual torque tension operations simultaneously. It allows measurements to be stored in its internal memory and exported directly to Excel without the need for additional software, simplifying analysis. One of its great advantages is its portability. It is powered by a long-lasting rechargeable battery and can be charged via USB, making it perfect for predictive maintenance and field verification. With the Delta Sigma, you take bolt measurement to another level: accurate, reliable, safe, intuitive, and built to last. Contact us today and take your operation to the next level. Adecom is aligned in all its processes with ISO regulations, IMA policies, supplier assurance, and due diligence.